selling secret. I'm tired of bourbon hunting in all the same places where everybody else is. I thought of something. I'm gonna go in the middle of Indiana, check out some of the out-of-the-way spots. Okay, come on, let's go.
So the first store we hit up, I liked right off the bat. They had Elijah Craig Private Barrel. The only thing is, I'm used to Elijah Craig barrel proof for $60 with a 12-year age statement. This stuff was $100 in only 8 years, but I mean, I'm sure it's delicious, and I would have bought it had I not had so many other stops to do the same day. So I just kind of held off, but a little regret it now. I should have got that bottle. Maybe I'll go back and get it later. Lots of Knob Creek 12 at a really good price, and they had a bunch of them. Good find, great store. I heard this stuff was good, but definitely not worth $500. This was a tiny store, but still worth checking out. The clerk told me they have some goodies every now and again. As soon as I set foot in here, I immediately liked the store. Lots of store picks. You can tell the owner is really trying to get a good selection in. Good Japanese selection, even had Hibiki Harmony for $90. The owner was cool, gave me a few samples of the Starlight. Never tried it before. I instantly liked this store as soon as I got in. This is the first time I'm seeing the hard truth stuff. Just learned about this stuff. Apparently it's 100% sweet corn. The price is steep at $2.13, although when I got home I did look it up and it was highly recommended on Breaking Bourbon. They gave it like 4 out of 5 barrels, so I'll definitely be looking out for it later. The store clerk was pretty chill and was gonna let me try it, although he looked behind the counter and didn't have any of those sample bottles open, unfortunately. Even more Knob Creek 12.
Well, this concludes the hunt. I'm really glad I came out and checked out all these stores. Hit up a lot of stores. Some stores are way better than others, but I'll be checking back in them because some of those stores are pretty dope, have like a big selection, and you can tell the owner really cares about bourbon, so I'm sure they're going to be ordering some stuff. As far as what I got, I did score this. I'm not a big rye fan, but I'm actually starting to get more into it, and it was kind of lucky. Like, stuff like this is not on the shelves really, but it's one of those things where, like, if the store clerk asks you, like, hey, can I help you, or just like start naming stuff, they might have stuff in the back randomly. Maybe it's the quantity is so low that they just have like one-off bottles or whatever. It's not on the shelf, but hey, it never hurts to ask. See you guys.